Today we are going to study new topic, that is sum of first n terms of an AP. Now in previous exercises you have studied nth term. Formula for that was a plus n minus 1 into d. Even here the important terms are first term and your common difference. To find the sum of first n terms, the formula used is Sn is equals to n by 2 into bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Or you can use the same formula in Sn is equals to na plus n into n minus 1 by 2 into d. Now on basis of that formula, I'll show you one example. So that example is, let's find the sum of first 100 terms of AP. Sequence given is 14, 16, 18 and so on. Now by seeing the sequence, what is your sequence? 14, 16, 18 and so on. So here your first term is 14. Common difference between the sequences or the terms is 16 minus 14, that is 2. And your first 100 terms, that means your n here is 100. So by using the formula Sn is equals to n by 2 into bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into d, you have to put on the values and find the sum of first 100 terms. So sum of first 100 terms means you have to write S100, that is equals to, in place of n you have to write 100. So 100 by 2 into bracket 2 multiplied by your first term plus n is your 100 again, 100 minus 1 into common difference is 2. So 100 by 2 is 50, 14 2s is 28, 100 minus 1 is what, 99, multiplied by 2, that is 198. So 28 plus 198 is 226. So that will be multiplied by 50. So sum of first 100 terms of given AP is 11,300. Now here on your screen there are certain examples in what you have to find sum of first n odd natural numbers. Another question is sum of all odd numbers example, and different types of methods are given. What will be convenient for you, that method you have to use. So now see your first example. What is your first question here? Find the sum of first n natural numbers. You all know what are natural numbers. Natural numbers are the numbers starting from 1 till infinity. Now you have to find sum of first n natural numbers. That means your endpoint is given as n natural numbers. So now what will be your natural numbers? 1, 2, 3 so on till n. Now here your first term, that is a, is 1. Common difference is T2 minus T1, that is difference between the numbers, the difference between the terms, that is 1, 2 minus 1, that is 1, 3 minus 2, 1. And nth term is your n. So now you have to find sum of first n natural numbers. So that means your Sn will be what? 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus so on till n. So now how you will write Sn? Sn will be is equals to n by 2 into bracket first term plus last term as formula says. So now your first term is 1, last term is n. So put on the values. So what you will get? Sn you will get it as n into bracket n plus 1 by 2. Now see your next question. Your next question is what? Find the sum of first n even natural numbers. Now what are even natural numbers? Even numbers are those divisible by 2. So what are those numbers? 2, 4, 6, 8 so on. You have to find the sum of n even natural numbers. So what will be your n point? That will be your 2n. So now see here, your first term here is 2 and t of n, that is your last term, is 2n. So now see, I have used here 3 types of methods. So put on in that whatever will be convenient for you. Your first method is what? N by 2 into bracket first term plus last term, as in previous one you have solved. So Okay, so first method is what? Sn is equals to n by 2 into bracket first term plus your last term. So now your first term here is 2 and your last term is 2n. So put on the values, you will get some type of answer. So what is that? N by 2 into bracket 2 plus 2n. Now see, I'll take 2 as common. So my value will be what? N by 2 into bracket 2 into 1 plus n. 2 will get cancelled. So my value will be n into bracket 1 plus n. Or you can use the formula Sn is equals to n by 2 into bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So now see, if I'll use that formula, what answer I'll get? I'll get the same answer, but the thing is that methods will be different. So whatever will be convenient for you, you can use the same formula. But in regular process, you have to use a formula Sn is equals to n by 2 into bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Now see here your next question. Now your next question is what? The first term of an AP is 6 and the common difference is 3. Find S27. Now see here, your first term is 6, your common difference is 3 and you have to find the value of S27. So now see here, you have to make use of formula Sn is equals to n by 2 into bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So now you have to put on the values of a and d so that you will get answer. So now S27 is equals to, in place of n you have to put 27 by 2 into bracket 2a, that is 2 into 6, that is 12 plus again n minus 1, that is 27 minus 1 into d is 3. So 27 by 2 into bracket 12 plus 27 minus, that is 26 into 3. So by calculating the values, you will get 27 by 2 into 90. So that is 27 into 45. So S27, here you got it as 1215. See now next question. What is the next question? Find the sum of first 123 even natural numbers. Now 123 even natural numbers. See now. Even natural numbers means what? 2, 4, 6, 8, so on till 2n. So now here your first term is your a, that is 2. Common difference again is 4 minus 2, that is 2, or 6 minus 4, that is again 2. And number of terms, that is your n, is given as 123. Again you have to make use of formula Sn is equals to n by 2 into bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into d. All the values you have, it is given here. So you have to find S of 123. So S of 123 is equals to, in place of n you have to write 123 by 2 into bracket 2a, that is 2 into 2 plus 123 minus 1 into d, that is again 2. So put on all the values in the formula. So the value for S123 is 15,252. Now see, next type of sum is given here. So what is that sum? The sum of first 55 terms of an AP is 3,300. Find its 28th term. Now see, some different type of question is being given here. Again you have to make use of formula Sn, that is Sn is equals to n by 2 into bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So now, what is Sn given here? That is S55, and value of S55 given here is 3300. And what you have to find? See how you have to consider. Let the first term of an AP be A and the common difference be D. So then you have to make use of formula Sn is equals to n by 2 into bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So now S55, in place of n you have to write 55. So S55 is equals to 55 by 2 into bracket 2a plus n will be 55 minus 1 into d. So that value you got it as 55 by 2 into bracket 2a plus 54d, because 55 minus 1 is 54. So the value of S55 here is 55 by 2. 2 I have taken it as common. So once I took 2 as common, so that will be A plus 27D. 2 will get cancelled from numerator and denominator. So S55 will be 55 into bracket A plus 27D. And I know the value of S55, that is 3300. So 3300 is equals to 55 into bracket A plus 27D. So now 55 is multiplying with that bracket. I'll take to other side of the equation, it will divide. That is 3300 by 55 is equals to A plus 27D. So the value of 3300 by 55 is 60. By dividing both the sides by 55, I'll get the value as 60. So 60 is equals to A plus 27D. Now, what I have to find? I have to find 20th term. That means T of n. T of 28 I have to find. So now, I'll make use of formula T of n, that is A plus n minus 1 into D. So T of 28 is equals to, I don't know the value of A, I'm not having the value of D, but I have the value of n, that is 28. So therefore T of 28 is equals to A plus 28 minus 1 into D, because I have used the formula T of n is equals to A plus n minus 1 into D. So the value of A plus 28 minus 1 into D is what? A plus 27D. And what is the value of A plus 27D? That is 60. So automatically I got the value of T of 28, because by using the formula T of n, I got the value of T of 28 as A plus 27D, and from above equation I got the value of A plus 27D as 60. So therefore T of 28 is 60. So therefore the 20th term is 60. Now see the next question. The next question is what? In an AP, the sum of 3 consecutive terms is 27 and the product is 504. Find the terms. Now see, whatever you have to assume, that is given. So if such type of consecutive terms are coming, you have to make use of the values A minus D, A plus D. If 4 consecutive terms has been asked, you have to use the values A minus D, A plus D, A plus 2D. But here 3 consecutive terms have been asked. So you have to assume the 3 consecutive terms as A minus D, A and A plus D. So what is your first condition given in the question? First condition is given as the sum of 3 consecutive terms is 27. So you have to write according to first condition. Sum means what? Addition. So addition of 3 consecutive terms, that is given as 27. So A minus D plus A plus D, that is equals to 27. So now here, see, minus D and plus D will get cancelled. A plus A, that is 3A. 3A value that is 27. So the value of A automatically you will get it as A is equals to 27 by 3, that is 9. So now from the second condition, what is the second condition given? Their product is 504. Means the product of 3 consecutive terms here given is as 504. So what will be the product now? A minus D into bracket A into A plus D, that is equals to 504. Now we know the value of A. So in place of A, we will put the value of A, that is 9. So 9 minus D into 9 plus D. Now you all know 9 minus D, 9 plus D. A plus B into A minus B, that is A square minus B square. So you'll make use of that formula here. So 9 which is multiplying with that will automatically go to other side of the equation and it will divide with 504. So remaining answer is what? 9 minus D into 9 plus D. So now there you have to make use of formula A minus B into A plus B, that is A square minus B square. So automatically 9 square is 81 minus D square is equals to the value of 504 by 9, you got it as 56. So that you have to make use. So now 81 minus D square is equals to 56. Now I'll shift D square to other side of the equation and 56 to other side. So D square is negative to one side of the equation. It will go to other side. It will become positive. So 81 minus 56 is D square. So D square automatically 81 minus 56 I got it as 25. So the value for D I got it as plus or minus 5. Now see the consecutive term. When the value of D is positive 5, what will be the value of consecutive terms? You have to put on in the values. So automatically you will get the 3 consecutive terms. Likewise, now see, when you will use positive 5, A is 9, A plus D is 9 plus 5, that is 14, and A minus D, that is 9 minus 5, that is 4. So automatically when you will make use of positive 5, you will get different value, and when you will make use of negative 5, you will get different values. So the 3 consecutive terms are 4, 9, 14 or 14, 9, 4. Now see the next question. Next question here on your screen is find 4 consecutive terms in an AP whose sum is 12 and the sum of the third and fourth term is 14. So again you have to make use of same type of formula, and see 4 consecutive terms have been asked. So 4 consecutive terms will be what? A minus D, A plus D and A plus 2D. And same process you have to use according to first condition. What is your first condition? Now see what you will assume here. Let the 4 consecutive terms in an AP be A minus D, A plus D and A plus 2D. So what is your first condition given? First condition given is sum is 12. So from the first condition, addition of all the 4 consecutive terms is given as 12. So by adding that, you will get some certain type of equation. So by adding that, you will get equation like 2A plus D is equals to 6. That you consider as 1. And from the second condition, what is your second condition given? Sum of third and fourth term. So what is your third term? A plus D, and fourth term is A plus 2D. So sum of that terms is given as 14. So A plus D plus A plus 2D. So for that also I got some new equation, that is 2A plus 3D is equals to 14. So both the equations I'll solve it simultaneously. I'll get the values of A and D. I'll put on in the 4 consecutive terms. So automatically I'll get the values, and you have to solve it likewise.